To set up Carl Bailey now using Microsoft Office Outlook 2007, we follow these steps. Open Outlook, click Next. It says you want to configure Outlook to connect to Exchange server or other email server. We say yes. It's going to ask us for the name. It automatically recognizes the name of the current account, so it's carlbailey@acme.com. And the moment if we really want to manually configure the settings, so I'm going to show you that because automatically is very straightforward. So if we save automatic manually, you have to click Next, and here you're going to have a few questions. So if you want to connect to Microsoft Exchange, as we are doing now, select that option, and you need to specify the Microsoft Exchange server name. So here we can type either localhost. We can specify more setting if needed, so you can specify the security as well, to negotiate authentication, to encrypt data between Outlook and Exchange. You want to, what kind of connection do you want to use, and some of the advanced settings. So if we click Next, you have successfully entered the information for setup. If you click Finish, it's going to try to set it up automatically. And we're done. The automatic process takes the same amount. It's very fast as well. And if you remember, we already sent an email through OWA, so we're going to see that on the mailbox. We're going to repeat the same step here. So we're going to create a new email to administrator. Not that it's required. I'm just going to write testing Outlook 2007. And something in the message. So send this. So you saw for a moment it was in the outbox as a message, and send should show now testing Outlook 2007 and just testing as well. And inbox already received the copy of the same message, which is just sent. You can see the message that pop up, the balloon at the bottom, showing the same thing. If you double click on it, you'll see the message. So this is a very straightforward process. This allows us to use the Exchange transport connection to Exchange server, which is the default setting. And you can also modify the settings within after you set up the account by going to Tools, Options, under Mail Setup and Email Accounts. You can select the account you want. You can click Change, and it's going to show you the Microsoft Exchange server address, who is the user. If you go to Settings, you're going to go to the same settings, if you remember, that we saw initially. So what other additional mailboxes you want to set up, what kind of security you want to use, what kind of connection is used as well, and how to set up remote mail from here. So I'm just going to close that, and that would be it.